Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning or if you're new, welcome. My name is Rachel. This is the Busy Vegan Mom YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to share a little bit with you about what happened when I stopped eating oil. So about 6 months ago, from the time you're watching this video, like you could be watching it way later and it being way past 6 months, but as of now, while I'm making this video, 6 months prior, I started following the Starch Solution, which is a diet created by Dr. John McDougall, and it is a diet where it's already whole food plant-based. So I'm a vegan 4.5 years, but this is a supercharged vegan diet. You don't eat oil and obviously no animal products, and you up your carb intake and you lower your fat intake. So a lot of people out there who who have practiced like a keto diet or something will probably freak out when hearing this, because I know it's the exact opposite. But this is a diet that has been proven over time to help your body, help your health, not just for the physical benefits and for the weight loss, but for a lot of other things as well. There's numerous stories out there, tons of people on YouTube and on the internet who can share what this lifestyle or way of eating has done for them. But this video today, I'm just going to talk about how taking the oil out, for one, because that's a big thing, right? Oil is in so much food, especially like if on a vegan diet. I mean, you're eating all sorts of different types of dishes, and like everything, oil is thrown in everything, and it doesn't need to be. And once you start restricting or taking away your oil or trying to eat it, eat without it, find dishes that it doesn't already come in it, you'll notice how much it is in something. Now, what is the issue with oil? There's plenty of stuff out there that will suggest that oil is healthy, and I know that there are some oils out there that are healthier for you than others, no doubt. But it's still highly processed. And as far as calorie density goes, oil is it's like super calorically dense. So like eating just a little bit of oil can do more to your body fat-wise versus eating like a plate full of potatoes. So I'm just here to tell you what happened to my body when I stopped eating oil. I lost weight. So I stopped eating oil like all the way in May of this year. It is now December, and started seeing rapid results in my weight right away. I felt less weighed down by food, which I already, upon being vegan, that kind of comes naturally, not feeling weighed down because you're eating meat or cheese or anything. But now, like, taking the oil out, oil is so heavy. And once you start eating without it, I mean, at least for me, I noticed a difference in the way I felt. My weight definitely changed as well, as you'll be able to tell by the picture examples. Taking the oil out did a lot. So in regards to the weight loss, I wish I could tell you how much exactly, but I don't own a scale. There's not one in my house. I have no need for one. I don't measure my pounds or how much I weigh, but I knew that I was losing weight by the way that my clothes were fitting me differently. The comments I would get from people, positive comments, but mainly I just knew, because I could look back at photos, or I could just, again, I knew how I felt. When you start to lose weight, you start to, at least for me, have a little more energy. You're like letting go of excess pounds. And so, I don't know, I just could tell by the way I felt as well. But yeah, visual proof, says a lot. So don't know how much. There was a few times I stepped on a scale when I would be like at family members' houses, and I'd be like, oh wow, but I didn't really know what I was comparing it to, because I don't keep up with pounds. It's not important to me. It's about how I feel, and I liked what I was seeing. So it was really nice. So yeah, there is a way to lose the weight after breastfeeding, after having kids. And I'm quite certain I could have done Starch Solution while I was breastfeeding and while I was, even while I was pregnant. You know, I've watched a lot of Dr. McDougall stuff, and it's completely fine. I had an extremely healthy pregnancy, by the way. Only ate a little bit of oil. It would be like in my hummus, or in like sometimes I would get dishes from different places, but I would eat mainly nutritarian style. That is Dr. Joel Fuhrman's plant-based diet. You know, all the plant-based doctors have a different diet that they promote, like Dr. Michael Greger, and then you've got Dr. McDougall, and you've got I pull from all of them. I love all the plant-based doctors. They're awesome. And it's neat how I've like followed one through each stage, it seems like, of my vegan life, my small vegan life that I've had so far. But I am really loving the Starch Solution because of the results that I see. I love how I feel. And I always, over the last like several years, I stopped, because of the other plant-based doctors, I stopped cooking with oil because I knew it wasn't necessary, and that because of its process, and there was just other reasons for it. But now that I've like taken it out completely, with the occasional, like today, we're with friends today, and when we have celebrations, so it's like birthdays, celebrations where there's family and we're in community, and I didn't bring my own food, or if it's something someone else made me, and they already go through this sacrifice of like getting me vegan stuff and making sure it doesn't have the milk and the eggs and the no meat products and all that I'm like, I don't say, oh my gosh, you know, can you make sure that there's no oil in it either? Like, I just don't. I'm happy with where I'm at. I still have some toning up that I'm gonna continue to do. And I know it would happen faster if I was completely strict and like did like on the holidays and on the occasions and the celebrations and when the unity with the family, if I was like, nope, not eating oil, like, which I could do, but I'm just not feeling called to do that right now. I did for a little while. I wasn't like eating it at all, and it was nice. But I think it's a healthy place to be at, where I'm at, like, where I can say, oh, it's okay. You know, I can have this dish with oil in it, and I can enjoy life with my family and friends. And if I need a reset, you know, I can just, I got a fridge full of broccoli, and I got a freezer full of broccoli, and a cabinet full of potatoes and rice. Like, I know what to do. I know how to, it's so cool because with this lifestyle, you don't have to like beat yourself up with strenuous exercise. Like, it's good for mental health to walk 20 to 30 minutes a day. That's a mental health thing. Like, forget the physical benefits, that come with it, but like mental health says, you know, we should walk every day. But with this lifestyle, there's no crazy workout regimen. Like, you can lose weight just from cutting out the oil, cutting out like the high fat items. And it's really great, and I love it, and it gave me more confidence, you know, and I'm a huge fan. Like, who doesn't love rice? Who doesn't love potatoes? Who doesn't love carbs? Like, until people can unlearn the idea that carbs are bad, then they won't get to experience, you know, the beauty of this lifestyle. But I'm, you know, living proof that you can eat potatoes and carbs. I sound like all the other people that do these videos and say this, but it's the truth. Like, veggies, carbs, fruit, all that, and look great. So I just wanted to share that with you all and see what is your experience on this journey, and just be sure to check in below, leave a comment, let me know. Thank you for being here today and for watching my video. So can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out and spending some time with me and listening to what happened to my body once I stopped eating oil. So see you next time.
If you would like to support my channel further, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. I am so grateful for your support. Thank you so much for coming back every week and watching my videos. If you would like to get in more touch with me, you can always follow me on Instagram at thebusyveganmom. I post reels and food pics every single day. Don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. I can't wait to continue on this journey with you. See you next week.